Hello everyone, I'm Vajo from Huidu Technology. Today, I will show some knowledge about LED screen and Huidu LED control system. During the course, if you have any question or you want to know more information about Huidu control system, welcome to contact Huidu Technology directly, or you can follow our new website www.hdwell.com. First, let us figure out what is LED screen, or we call the LED display. LED screen is a display method by controlling semiconductor net emitting diodes. It consists of many small RGB lights, which rely on the on and off of the light to display various information such as text, images, animations, or videos. And according whether the surface of the module is waterproof or not, we can divide the LED screen into outdoor LED screen or indoor LED screen. So normally the outdoor LED screen is waterproof. And also according the different installation methods and application scenarios of LED screen, we can divide the LED display into fixed LED wall or outdoor advertising LED wall, or also rental LED wall. Now we know what is LED display or LED screen. Let's think how to build an LED screen. The LED screen is usually composed of three parts. First, the LED module and its accessories. Second, the LED control system to control the LED display. And last, the LED cabinet we used to fix the LED module. And about the LED module, the LED module is the smallest unit of a LED screen. There are many lamps on one LED module. One lamp is equal to 1 pixel. We used in video or images. And an LED module consists of three parts: LED lamp, the PCB, and the IC. The design of the PCB and the type of the IC determine the driving mode and the scaling mode of the module. So why we usually need to configure the LED module? That is because the different module have different PCB design and different type of LED, different types of IC. This is a P3 indoor LED module. Let's take a look. What is driver chip? This is driver chip. It has the largest quantity on one PCB, and the second largest quantity of IC is a decoding chip here. And on the front side of the PCB, there are many lamps. The P3 indoor LED module size is 192M by 192M. So the resolution of one P3 LED module is 16:4 by 16:4 lamp. So the resolution also is 16:4 by 16:4 pixels. Let's think how to calculate the resolution of a module. This is a P4 outdoor LED module. The size, the width is 320 m and the height is 160 m. So the module pixel width is use the module width divided by pixel pitch. So this P4 outdoor LED module is 80 pixels in width. And the module height also is use the module height size divided by pixel pitch. So the P4 outdoor LED module height is 40 pixels. So the module resolution is 80 pixels by 40 pixels. And next, let's learn how to assemble LED screen. As we know, the LED screen is fixed on LED cabinet. And the cabinet, usually we can use the customized LED aluminum frame or iron frame to make the cabinet. We can use magnets to fix the LED module on it. Also, we can use customized LED aluminum frame or iron frame to fix the LED module by screws. And how to connect the flash cable and the LED controller. Or we usually use LED receiver directly connect to LED module. This is a LED receiver. It has the 10 output port. The order is first output 1, output 2, output 3, output 4, output 5, then output 6, output 7, output 8, output 9, output 10, output 1 to the first line of modules from up to down, line 1, then output 2 to line 2, then output 3 to line 3. Connect one line by one line through flash cable. And we can also, if the screen resolution is very big, we can use several receivers to control the LED screen together. Each LED receiver controls part of the whole LED screen, and between LED receiver we use Ethernet cable to connect the receivers one by one. This is the first receiver, and the second use Ethernet cable to connect them one by one. And the first receiver control this part of LED modules, and the second receiver control the second part, and the third receiver control this part. Also, we can use LED cabinets that's waterproof to fix the LED modules, and each LED cabinet usually with one or two receiver. The cabinet is waterproof, and the cable Ethernet cable is have special cord to connect between cabinets one by one. And what is LED control system? LED control system is a system that controls the correct display of LED screen according to the user needs.